By now we all know that we can't purchase ourselves into sustainability. Reusing, repairing and repurposing what we already have in our wardrobes should be our starting point, followed by purchasing pre-loved or well-crafted leather items. Good quality leather is a lifelong material that confidently claims its place in our circular economy. Let me show you how I repurposed this pre-loved leather jacket. I've enlisted the help of weaver and upcycler Ashley.
We're going to be upcycling this skirt that was destined for landfill.